Welcome to my channel once again. Welcome to Nikki O Craft, where we teach bag making. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment, and do not forget to share. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today's tutorial will be a very straight one and a very short video. I got a request on how to fix eyelets without a machine. How to fix it. So we have different sizes of eyelets, so I will just be working with two sizes. I'm just going to be doing two sizes. So how you can fix it neatly without having the machine. So the first thing is to get your eyelet itself. You can see these are different sizes. This one is on that size, this one is a smaller one, this one is a bigger one, and this one is now the smallest. You can see we have different sizes. See the sizes I placed down. So anyone you want to work with, it's okay. So let's just go about how to fix it. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you have your material, the leather you want to fix it on. So let's assume this is my material. The first thing I will do is so you first take your eyelets like this. I'll place it on the leather I want to fix it on, and I will mark it out. Remember, I don't have any machine. I don't have a puncher too. So after marking it out, now you can see this is where I placed on it. This downside is where I placed on, not this upper part, this downside. So after placing it on it, I'll just look for a way of cutting it out, not outside the circle. You can see inside the circle. So I'll just take my scissors round and cut it on that marking that I made. So if you have puncher, you can just use your puncher to cut, but in case there is no puncher, that is why I'm doing this. So now I have the O already. Sorry now. So the next thing is to put it inside the O. You can see it. So I've put inside the O, and I'll put the washer inside it. This is the washer. So you put the washer inside it. After you've put inside it, the next thing is to take your scissors, and I'll cut it through little by little. You can see it just little by little. You can use blade for that. If you don't have, you can use blade. You can use your cutter. You can see it. Just cut it through into pieces like that. Into pieces. You can see what I have here. You can see I've cut it. So the next thing now is to use you can either use your plier, any plier, or even your scissors, just to press these ones that these pieces, you just want to press it down. You can see how I'm doing this. Just press it down. You can see. Can see what I'm doing. Can see, just using my plier. You can see it on the outside. You can see how neat it is. So after that, you can now use your hammer just to have it smooth at this back like this. Just make sure you are placing like something like that is soft like this, or a leather under it like this, and you just eat it down. You can see it outside there, very neat. You can see it. It won't destroy the shape of the eyelet. So that is just how to fix your eyelet if you don't have the machine. So let's do another size. This is a smaller size. So you said there's no size you cannot do. Just mark it. If you have a puncher, use your puncher to cut it out. But if not, I have a puncher, but I want to use this so that even if you don't have a puncher, that will not be an excuse. You can see you will get the circle. After that, just try and cut it out in the middle and just trace it. Just same process. Any size you want to use, just cut it bit by bit. You can see it. Just follow the circle and cut it. Follow the circle and cut it out like that. You can see it. I have it like this, and the next thing is to insert my eyelet into it, into the hole. You can see it now. You insert it into the hole and you put the washer inside. You can see I have put the washer inside. So I told you can make use of cutter. So if this is my cutter now, you can see I'm using my cutter to cut it. So if you don't have this cutter, you can use blade. Just make sure you are cutting it into smaller pieces, so that to bend it will be so easy for you. You can see what I'm doing, and yes, I have cut it. The next thing is to fold it, to bend it. Just bend it. You can see it. If you don't have this if you don't have this plier, you can use your scissors to just fold it down, and you use hammer to hit it down, so you can see it on the outside. The shape, it will not bend, it will not rough. So after that, just place a little leather under it and hit it down, so that it will be smooth at the back too. And this is it. It is not even affecting my hand. It is very smooth. See it on this leather. You can see it's not peeling anything. You can see it. It will not peel anything. You can see it. It will not peel anything. You can see it. So, and this is the result. So this is how to fix your eyelet if you don't have a machine, and you would have a good result. You can see it's not peeling my hand, and it is it. So that is that about that. If you have watched this video to this stage, and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, watch it on the channel, and comment. And this will encourage me to drop more videos, more tutorials that will make our bag making journey very easy for us. See you in the next one. Bye.